Yo, it's so bad that we have completely forgotten that the East Wing of the White House is missing. I'm just saying. I ain't keeping score or nothing, but the billionaires that got the tax cuts in the beginning of last year are the same people that basically own the corporations that now are asking for refunds on the illegal tariffs when all they did was pass that cost off to the customer. So they never really absorbed that. So the same people that didn't pay taxes in the first place now want a refund on taxes they never paid anyway. I'm just saying.